Hey guys, did you know that as an Indian dentist, you can actually start working in Dubai with just your BDS degree? No post-graduation needed, no practical exam, just clear one test, the DHA exam. And in this video, we'll explain exactly how Indian dentists can work in Dubai step by step. But before we begin the video, do not forget to subscribe to MedPrep by Academically. It is your one-stop solution to all healthcare opportunities abroad. So let's get started. So first question, why Dubai? Well, for starters, dentists are in high demand there. The salaries are tax-free and freshers can earn around 7,000 to 13,000 dirhams a month. The clinics are modern and the licensing process is much faster as compared to some Western countries. Also, there's no need to take the English proficiency test. Now, next question, who can exactly take the DHA exam? Well, someone with a BDS degree, at least 2 years of clinical experience and a dental license from India are eligible. And that's it. Now let's talk about the DHA exam itself. So basically it's a check to see if your skills meet Dubai's standards, and here's the quick info to know that. So there will be 150 multiple choice questions, 170 minutes to complete them, 60% is the passing score, and maximum 3 attempts are allowed. Oh, and you don't even have to go to Dubai to take it. You can do it at Prometric centers in India. Now here's how to get started. So create an account on the DHA website will be your first step. Then submit documents for verification. Now what are the documents? BDS degree, internship certificate, 2 years of experience, passport and a good standing certificate are must-haves. Now pay the fees. And the data flow is 992 AED dirhams and the exam is 1080 dirhams. So schedule your exam after that at a Prometric center. Now prepare and attempt the exam. So here mock tests really help. Then comes your oral assessment. So if required, it'll take 15 to 20 minutes. Then get your eligibility letter. You can now apply for dental jobs in Dubai. And once you are licensed, start hunting for jobs. Check hospital and clinic websites. Use portals, job hunting portals like Baith.com, LinkedIn, Indeed, UAE or Naukri Gulf. You can also use recruitment agencies or just network with other dentists. Now another important question, what about pay? Freshers earn around 1.8 to 2.7 lakh rupees per month, and with 2 to 5 years of experience you can earn 2.7 to 4 lakh rupees per month, and specialists can go as high as 5.6 to 11 lakh rupees per month. And did I mention it's all tax free? And by the way, if you are serious about cracking the DHA exam, we recommend you checking out Academically's DHA preparation courses for dentists. It's designed specifically for Indian dentists and help you feel confident on the exam day. So that's the entire roadmap: BDS, DHA exam, eligibility letter, and you can start your dental career in Dubai. So that's it with the video today. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more career guidance videos. See you soon in the next one. Till then, take care and happy studies. Bye-bye.